Yeah, yeah. So here we go, guys.
Yep.
You ready? Okay.
No, one on his own. Big time.
Now.
Big time, guys. Looking very nice. Yeah. That was big time, guys. Hope you like that one. I think next one's Devil's... Is it Devil's Curse? Devil's Curse, guys, next. Sorry about the blurry, guys. Like, it's the first time me doing a display like this. Sorry about that, guys. Theo, can you come back, please? Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Devil's Curse. Big Star Fireworks. Big Star Fireworks. Devil's Curse, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we like that one, guys. What's next? Panda Killer.
Yeah. Every time
Yeah.
I finish, like, stop it and then
Yeah.
start.
So we got Panda Killer by Classic Fireworks next, guys.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Panda Killer. Oh, look at the brakes on that. Lovely. Classic Fireworks at its finest. Beautiful. Oi. Theo, what's next, bro? Oh, this is Neutron Force. Neutron Force, guys. Neutron Force. Lovely. Night Star Fireworks. Neutron Force. Hey, was that Neutron Force? Yeah, Neutron Force, guys. Sorry about that.
That one was banging.
So what's next?
What? What did you say?
Icon next, guys.
I don't
Black
know
label.
what that is.
Black label. Absolute black label next, guys. Icon.
Cool.
Let's go. Oh, sorry about that, guys, man. I didn't get none of that. This camera's acting up.
I got it.
We got backup, guys. Don't worry, we got backup. What's next, guys?
That was lovely.
Oh, we got Screaming Banshees next, guys.
Cool.
Oh my God, mental. Guys, I really don't know what's going on with this film, you know that?
Really so scary.
I've got a backup anyway, guys. I'm absolutely fuming with this. Here we go. Look, I don't know why it's doing this, man. He's never let me down before. It's an iPhone 7S. Lovely. Lovely.
Nobody is now.
What was that? Convulsion.
Dad, how many
Convulsion.
are there left?
A couple, boys. A couple left now.
10.
No, about 3 left, 4 left now. Convulsion, by the way, guys.
4 left.
Guys, I'm sorry about this video. I'm so sorry, Wes.
French.
No, not Frenzy. No, do Tornado.
No, tornado.
The last one.
The
That's for you, Dan. You want Frenzy last, so we're going to make sure Frenzy's last, Dan. That's for you, pal. So we got Tornado now, you guys.
Tornado.
Please focus. Yes, please focus. Please focus. Please focus. Lovely. Sarge, lovely, Sarge. Absolutely lovely, mate. Lovely, lovely. Tornado. Now we've got the finale, guys. Frenzy. This one's for you, Dan. This is what you wanted, isn't it? For Frenzy for the finale. You got it, pal. Oh, come on. Yes, we got focus. We got focus. Yes, yes, yes. 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 Brilliant. Brilliant. Guys, thanks for that, guys. I'm sorry about the blurred vision, but I have got a backup on another phone, so just bear with me. I'm going to load this one up straight away, guys. Bear with me for the blurriness. I'm completely so sorry about that, guys, yeah? But thanks for tuning in and watching. Thanks, guys.